Wine. Georgia is generally considered the cradle of wine, as archaeologists have traced the world's first known wine creation back to the people of the South Caucasus in 6000 BC. These early Georgians discovered grape juice could be turned into wine by pressing it underground for the winter. The earliest evidence of a grape and rice mixed base fermented drinks, sometimes compared to wine, was found in ancient China 7000 BC. The altered consciousness produced by wine has been considered religious since its origin. The ancient Greek worshipped Dionysus, and the ancient Romans carried on his cult. Types of wine: red wine, white wine, ice wine, and etc. Similarly, the longest wine region in Italy, Spain, and France have heritage in connection to sacramental wine. Likewise, viticulture traditions in the southwestern United States started within New Spain as Catholic friars and monks first to produce wines in New Mexico and California. If you want any other food history, please comment and subscribe it.